Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market. We will continue to talk about the currency of Euro Union today, because market has almost reached our target that we had discussed yesterday. Well, as you remember, in the previous research we said that this is the strong area of resistance right here. This is the target of this butterfly, possible butterfly, okay, and 1618 expansion target on intraday target from this ABC pattern. Okay, market has hit it and turned to retracement. This is the daily chart, by the way. And yesterday I said that personally I will track this area with a strong caution, because as you can see, this is the we can say that this is the crucial point for the further development of the market. Because what we see here, first of all, this previous highs 140.14, it's right here. Okay, this dash line. Also, take a look that this is our trend indicator, the MACD predictor. Okay. And it comes in play in this area. So the current level of MACD predictor for today is 140.23. So if market will close below it, then the trend will shift bearish, and furthermore market will move below the previous highs. This is a very unwelcome sign for the bulls. Right here is also another beacon of the possible market sentiment. The weekly pivot point stands 140.47, this blue dash line. Also, this is daily fib support 140.40, from this high to this low, 3-8 support, and intraday 4-hour confluence support. We will see it a bit later. So that's been said, this is very strong area of support. Weekly pivot, fib support, previous highs, and the MACD predictor. Well, personally I will prefer for the entering on the long side if I will see any bull signals in this area. For example, if market will show us stop grabber. What does it stop grabber? Stop grabber is when our market shift trend to the bearish side but close above it, okay, and erase the previous trend shifting. This will give me some confidence that market possibly could continue move to the upside. Anyway, I prefer to see that market will hold above the weekly pivot point and above the previous highs. Only after that, only in this case, I will think about the possible entering on the long side. If market will break this area to the downside, move below weekly pivot point, shift trend to the bearish, and move below these highs, this will be not good for the bulls. Well, in this case we should be very cautious, very careful with the possible entering on the long side of the market. Now let's shift to the 4-hour chart. What we see here, first of all, here was our bread and butter trade yesterday. Market has found support in this area, 141.30 area roughly, and shows retracement at least to the 618 resistance from this swing to the downside. So that has happened. Although this is not very bright bread and butter, I prefer to see the more clear bread and butter trade, but this has happened. Now what we have seen right now, this is by the way the daily confluence support that 4-hour confluence support that I just told you, 140.24, 140.40. Okay, this previous highs and weekly pivot point. This is not bad for us to the downside, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So sufficient number of bars for the establishing, for example, directional buy pattern. And I prefer to see, for example, the double repo buy or something, maybe butterfly buy in this area, that could give me the confidence that possibly we can enter long in this area. So our task for today trading session, or maybe even for tomorrow also, is watching for buy signals in this area and be aware of the possible closing of the market below 140.14 area. Okay, what we would not want to see if you are bulls, that the market will shoot below this area. Now let's shift to the hourly chart. This is another important detail currently. Look at this pattern, A, B, C. Market hit 100, 127, and look at this, 1618 expansion, 140.42 stands precisely in this area. This is also an agreement. So First of all, we should wait until market will hit this target, because before that will happen, we should not even think about entering on the long side. Also, I can't exclude the possibility that market could flirt with this area for some time, maybe forming some reverse patterns in this area. Maybe it would be some head and shoulders, butterfly buy patterns. I don't know what it will be, but in general, I will be watching for the possible buy signal. So track for the possible updates on the forum today and during tomorrow trading session. So because I think that here we can see something interesting in this area really. Okay, so this is confidence support, weekly pivot, and also an agreement. This area that we should track for the possible entry on the long side of the market. But currently, all that we can do is just wait, because I do not want to sell right here even on intraday chart, because this is really strong area of support, and it's not very wise to sell just above the support area. And I have no context to buy, because I do not see any clear signals currently. But I will be tracking for the appearance of this. Again, on the daily time frame, this will be perfect if market will show, for example, stop grabber. It will give me much more confidence that possibly we could enter on the long side of the market. So sit on your hands, be patient, and watch for the clear buy signals in this area or something, or clear signal that market totally erase this area and close below previous highs and return in the area below 140. Okay, this will be the signal that possibly we can see the deeper move to the downside.